Hey everyone, welcome back to Yoga with RAMONI. Let's start lying down on our back, coming into our butterfly, bringing the soles of your feet together. And you can place your hands on your belly. Use your hands to slowly close your legs together. As you straighten and extend your right leg up towards the ceiling, grabbing behind your right hamstring, begin to flex and point your foot. Flex your foot and gently pull your leg closer towards your chest. Bend your right leg, hugging your knee into your chest as you straighten your left leg onto the bed. Come into your supine twist as you guide your right knee over to the left side. Pass back through center as we open the hip, just bringing that right knee out to the side now. And you can grab onto the leg and maybe pull it a little bit. And now plant that right foot on the bed as you lift your left leg up, flexing and pointing the foot. Let's flex the foot and gently pull your leg closer towards you. Bend your left leg, hug your knee into your chest, and straighten your right leg onto the bed, coming into your supine twist. Pass through center as you bring your knee and your leg over towards the left. Grab that leg, open the hip. And now let's hug our knees into our chest. Open up for happy baby, grabbing for the feet or the legs, bending the knees. Let's straighten both legs for our straddle position, feeling a stretch in the inner thighs and the hamstrings. Close your legs together up towards the ceiling as you grab behind both legs and pull them closer towards your face. And we end by coming into our butterfly with one hand on your heart and one hand on your belly. Take a deep breath in through your nose. Let it out through your mouth. Thank you for practicing with me today. Everything that you need is on the screen and in the description box below. Make sure you like this video, subscribe for more classes, and I'll see you in the next one.